What's up, guys? So a lot of time when we are having knee pain, it's usually because we have tightness of the muscles either above or below the actual joint of the knee. So either your calves, your quads, your hamstrings are tight, and we can just do it with some easy soft tissue work, or we actually need to strengthen the knee capsules. So we're gonna show you how to do both right now. First off, we're going to talk about some soft tissue work. You're going to need a lacrosse ball, a tennis ball, a baseball, something that you can trigger point the muscles above and below that knee. So the first thing we want to start with is we want to try to find a spot on our calves. Now we can lay it on the outside of our shin and try to find some nasty spots, usually up and down that calf. You can find something that's pretty painful here, and you want to try to hold for 30-40 seconds until you get a little bit of release from that pain. Right there is pretty tight on myself. So I'd hold there for about 20-30 seconds till I felt a little bit of release, or it became just a little less painful. And then I would do the same thing on the inside. Turn this way so I can see it. On the inside of our calf, sometimes we can get really tight on the inside of this calf as well. Sometimes we can find a spot about right there. That's pretty tough. Now, when you're done with that, we want to find, one of my favorites for knee pain is to put the ball underneath and right on the teardrop of that quad. Usually it's pretty tight in there, and sometimes releasing that quad can actually really help that knee pain. Again, trying to hold that spot for a good 30 to even up to 90 seconds until we feel a little bit of release from that pain. You can do the same thing on top of your quad, laying on top. Find some nasty spots. If there's pain, that's a sign that you probably have tightness and some soft tissue that needs to be rolled out. Okay? So I would do that on your calf here and on that actual quad, are two really great places to start. Another one I like to do for strengthening, and this is going into the strengthening phase now, is to do a wall sit, because it's really scalable, and you can do it for someone who's really has a lot of knee pain or someone who's rehabbing that knee pain. So try to show you what we're talking about. So first one you can do is we're gonna start up on the wall, and we're gonna have our feet out in front of us, and we're just gonna sit down about 45 degrees, not all the way down. And this is a great starting point to start strengthening those knee capsules. In the beginning, pushing your feet into the floor and pushing your back up into the wall. We can hold this somewhere between 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Once you are advanced enough with that, we can drop down all the way into 90 with your feet directly underneath your knees and do the same thing and try to hold there. And now once you progress to about 90 seconds to 2 minutes with that one and you feel comfortable on that knee, what we can do is you can pull your feet actually underneath you, and your knee is going to go out in front of towards your toes. It's going to put a little more tension on the knees and help strengthen those knees. So that's kind of your progression. Feet out in front, underneath, and then tuck them a little bit farther under. Okay, we want to try to get about 60 seconds, 90 seconds to 2 minutes comfortably on that knee to start strengthening that knee capsule.